Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make your life easier with technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best internet service provider, ISP, for your home or business. Picking an ISP for your home or company is an important decision that should not be made lightly. Many people just think about cost and download rates when choosing an internet service, but there are other variables to think about as well. Think about what it is you need from the internet and go from there. Think about how you spend your time online and how many other individuals are doing the same thing. For video streaming and online gaming, for instance, greater speeds and larger data caps are essential. If you want to prevent problems like sluggish download speeds, lag time, and buffering, it's crucial to pick an ISP that can accommodate your individual requirements. Once your requirements have been established, it is time to begin comparing the various internet service providers, ISP, in your area. Compare their offerings in terms of price, features, and plans to find the best fit for your situation and budget. Check out some evaluations written by previous clients to get a sense of their consistency and quality of work. Find out whether there are any deals that can be bundled. When you bundle your cable, phone, and TV services, you can save money and have fewer monthly bills to keep track of. When compared to buying the individual components, the bundles that some ISP provide can be quite cost-effective. Be wary of packaged packages, as they may not provide the services you require and may have more stringent contractual restrictions. Before committing to a service, it's important to review the contract's terms and conditions to ensure they're favorable. Inquire about any additional costs that may not be immediately obvious, such as those associated with early cancellation, equipment leasing, and installation. The duration of the contract, as well as the terms of any automatic renewal, should be studied carefully. Keep an eye out for extras. Several internet service providers, ISP, provide extras like Wi-Fi hotspots, virus protection, and cloud storage. Think about if these extras are absolutely necessary and whether you can afford to pay for them. If you do any kind of sensitive job from home, you might want to take extra precautions to ensure the safety of your information. Test their customer service skills. Finally, think about the ISP support options. Choose an ISP with a solid reputation for helpfulness, responsiveness, and dependability in its support staff. You may learn about their track record with customers by reading reviews online or getting in touch with their support staff. As a conclusion, comparing pricing and speeds isn't the only factor in selecting the best internet service provider, ISP, for your home or business. Choosing an ISP involves thinking about what kind of service you need, how much money you want to spend, how long you want to be tied down, and how helpful the company's customer service department is. Finding an internet service provider, ISP, that is both affordable and reliable can take some time, but it's time well spent if you do your homework and look around. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. More to come.